At theguestbungalow.com, enjoy 27-minute guided meditation within the Deep Relaxation Room, focused on healing the energy centers of the body through mantra meditation and visualizations of colors. And this experience was previously recorded live during our total solar eclipse yoga retreat and features our model, Sil Jean. Please note this is a chakra healing meditation focusing on an upwards flow of energy within the body, and you're welcome to complete this experience seated or reclined. The choice is always yours. Thank you for practicing with me. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste. We do hope theguestbungalow.com serves you well until we meet again. We're open 24/7 online to help you in your household unearth grace.